Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to insert an image into Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of Pixlr, where we can get started with logging into our account. So here in the upper right corner, we'll have the login button that you can use, or if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, where we can get started with opening up the photo editor. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor right here so that we can get started with inserting our images. And guys, as you can see, after opening up the photo editor, now it's going to open up this new menu where we can get started with opening up our images. As we can see, here is the option that we are going to go ahead and use to insert the images that we want to edit in Pixlr. So open up the image, and I have already my image right here, and after opening it up, it's going to look like this, and you'll find the image with the toolbar at the left side of the screen with all the options for editing, such as arrange, crop, cutout, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with adding other images. After you have added the original image, all you need to do to add and insert even more images is go right here at the layers page and click add layer. In the add layer option, you can go and select image, and this is how you go ahead and get started with selecting multiple images and inserting them into Pixlr. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.